Want to have a great setup for your 4th of July celebration? We've got you covered with some simple, festive ideas to make your table look amazing. Here's what you'll need: fitted tablecloth and sheer backdrops, burlap and floral table runners, Starburst balloons and balloon stand, cutlery and glasses, plates and artificial flowers, napkins and napkin holders. First, let's put up the sheer backdrops as our background. This will help highlight the table setup later. Next, we'll inflate the silver Starburst balloons. Attach them to the balloon stand to mimic fireworks for the holiday. Just tie the balloon into the cup, attach the stick, and set it in the stand. It's super easy to put together and take apart for storage. Cover the table with a fitted tablecloth and add the burlap runner on top. Now place the balloon stand flat on the table, then lay the floral runner over it so the base is completely hidden. This way, the floral runner blends everything into the setup. Once that's covered, attach the balloons so they look balanced and stand nicely above the table. Natural colored placemats work perfectly with this setup. Add your plates, then top them with a checkered napkin. You can do a simple fold or use a napkin ring with a red flower. Here's a close-up of the napkin ring. It's designed with holes for both the napkin and the flowers. Just slide the napkin through, then add a single flower stem. Trim any excess, and you're all set. Notice we're using red, blue, and white. Perfect for the holiday. Lastly, add the cutlery and arrange them neatly, then set the glasses in place. We're using crystal-cut wine and whiskey glasses. Just set them toward the back so they add a nice, balanced touch to the setup. Our runners come in red and white, so we add some blue in the middle for balance. Plus, a balloon in the center ties the whole look together. Easy, right? Follow for more DIY setups. Thanks for watching!